So today we are going to discuss these concepts. Uh, Yesterday we have already discussed these points, dimensions, measures, and how do we convert dimensions to measures and measure to dimension, and what are the exceptions, and what are the points where else we can convert the fields, like in the data plane as well as in the view, right?
Yes, sir.
So, uh, we'll discuss one more thing, that is discrete and continuous.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of what is discrete and continuous?
Discrete is like step by step. Continuous is like it goes on continuous.
Okay, okay, yeah, that is one way of understanding.
Mm.
Okay, so what is the how do we differentiate it, discrete and continuous? Do you have any representation, like any differentiation? How do you
No.
identify whether this field is continuous or discrete?
Uh, no, sir.
Okay, so let's see.
Mm.
I'm taking category, okay,
Mm.
and I'm taking sales.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take a chart. Okay,
Mm.
now you can notice that discrete, this is dimension and this is measure. Okay,
Mm.
also this is discrete and this is continuous.
Okay.
Okay, uh,
Mm.
how do you differentiate it? One
Mm.
first, at first look at how can you differentiate it is discrete is in blue color, continuous is in green color.
Green color.
Okay,
Mm. Yes, sir.
so this is the differentiation. How do you identify discrete and continuous?
Mm.
Okay, so what I
Mm.
will do is, you can also say that dimensions are in blue color and green measures are in green color, right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
But that is not true.
Okay.
Irrespective of the dimension or measure, if that is discrete, that will be in blue color. If that is continuous, that will be in green color.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how do
Mm.
you differentiate it? Again, let us take another thing. I will take
Mm.
order date
Mm.
and I will take sales.
Mm.
Okay, and
Mm.
let us take a chart.
Mm.
Okay, see,
Mm.
now it is, what is this, discrete or continuous?
Uh, continuous.
Continuous, because it is in green color.
Green color.
What happens if I make it discrete? I will convert,
It changes to blue color.
yeah, I will convert it to discrete. Okay,
Mm.
so what happened?
It changed to blue color.
Okay, so it changed to blue color. Really, how
Mm.
does it matter whether it is discrete or continuous for a end user? See, I am going to presentation mode. This is the mode you are going to present it to the any customer,
Mm.
right? So that
Mm.
blue color or green color is not there,
No. Mm.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then what's the purpose? Whether it is discrete or continuous, what is the use?
There's no use.
Okay, so
Mm.
but there is. Let
Mm.
us take, what I will do is I will put order date into filters. Okay, and years,
Mm.
and I will
Mm.
exclude 2012. Okay?
Okay, sir. Mm.
See, now what happened?
It's showing
It
the
is showing 2011, 12, sorry, 13, 14, and there is no 12.
14.
Then there is no data for 12 here, isn't
Mm.
it? But
Yes.
it is showing 2012 here.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
What happens if I make it discrete?
It's not showing 2012.
Right?
Mm.
So, can you tell me now what is the difference?
In discrete,
Mm-hmm.
uh, we can show the values we want,
Okay.
but in continuous,
Mm-hmm.
it shows each and every year,
Okay.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah, but on the chart it is not showing 2012, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I got confused actually for discrete and
Okay.
continuous.
So if this is a discrete, it will create headers. These are headers. See,
Headers.
okay, I can select individual header.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Whereas if it is a continuous, it is an
Mm-hmm.
axis.
Okay.
See, it is an axis, and it will the all these intervals are shown at a regular interval.
Regular intervals.
Okay, you can change the interval frequency and all, but that is secondary. But these are not headers. This is an axis.
Hmm.
You got the difference between headers and axis? Headers you
Yes,
can
sir.
choose
Got
individually, whereas axis you cannot choose individually. It will be continuous.
continuous.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. If you want to show the missing value
Hmm.
in the sorry on the continuous field, where is this? No, set marks. See, if you want to show missing values, you can
Hmm.
still show on the discrete, but
Hmm.
that is not by default. And there is a break. See,
Hmm.
you can
Yes,
show the
sir.
header, but you cannot show the value.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
did you get it?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Okay, so now tell me what is the difference between discrete and continuous? This is an interview
Okay.
question.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the difference between discrete and continuous?
In discrete, we can select individual headers,
Mm-hmm.
but in continuous, it is we can't select individual headers, but it becomes a whole axis.
Yeah. So, what you can say is discrete creates headers, continuous
Mm.
creates axis.
Okay, sir.
Okay, select individual headers or not, that is different. That is, I mean,
Okay.
if you say it is the headers and that is axis, that is good enough for an interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
That's the professional way of telling the difference between discrete and continuous. Discrete create headers,
Continuous.
continuous
Mm.
creates an axis.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Got it right? And
Got it, sir.
you can convert discrete or continuous the field depending upon the field. Obviously, you cannot convert category into a continuous.
Okay.
right? You can
Okay,
convert
sir.
date and numeric fields into continuous.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Hmm.
is it clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay, so that is the difference between discrete and continuous, and you know, you got to know what are the different colors. One is blue and another is
Hmm.
green. Okay, and you got
Hmm.
to know discrete creates that header, and continuous creates an axis, and
Hmm.
you understand how to convert the fields from discrete to continuous and continuous to discrete.
Hmm.
Okay, so not
Okay,
only
sir.
here, you can convert here itself.
Okay. Convert to continuous. Convert to
Where is that? Yeah, see,
T.
convert to
Yeah.
continuous. Okay, once it is
Hmm.
here, you can say convert to discrete.
Okay.
Is it
Okay,
clear?
sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, so yeah, that is about conversion. Yeah, yesterday we discussed about uh, data types, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Hmm.
the let us take this data type, and you can change the data type also. See, this is numeric data type. If I want to change it to some string, I can change it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If I want to change it back to number, I can change it back.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I can
Hmm.
change this to string. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Sir, can we change measures also, sir?
Yeah, you can change. You can change what you want to change. Let's say profit is decimal. You want to change it to whole number.
Okay.
You can convert.
Okay, sir. But in measures, string operation is not used, no, sir.
Yeah. If you convert this discrete into string,
Hmm.
okay, so it converted into string, but it is not.
This
It
discount of
gives you count of discount. If you make it convert to dimension, then it makes sense.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. By default, all the measures are continuous.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and all the continuous fields are not measures.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so that's how you can differentiate between discrete and continuous, and you can convert, you can differentiate between dimensions and measures, and you can convert field data types into one data type into another data type. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So see here, order date is which color it is?
Or blue, sir.
Yeah. If you as it is blue, see, once I pull this order date onto the columns, it is blue color. Okay, what I will do is I
Hmm.
will convert into continuous. So now
Hmm.
it is green. See, by default, it is creating an axis.
Hmm.
Okay, you can convert discrete into continuous on the data pane itself or on the shelf.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you convert this into discrete or continuous in data pane itself, it will be for everything. I mean, for all the sheets, for all the reports, the workbooks you are using this data source, it will be continuous or discrete, the particular thing. If you convert that in on shelves,
Hmm.
it will be specific to that sheet.
Okay.
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 If I convert this order date here and let us take order date in another one. If I convert this one into continuous,
Hmm.
so this is, I mean, here this instance is continuous, but not the original one.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is about discrete and continuous. Is it confusing
Hmm.
or clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Fine. Then we will start building some basic views. Okay?
Hmm. Okay,
But
sir.
I think already you might have gone through this, so I would like to know what are all the things you are aware of upfront.
Uh, Sir, actually, you tell me the views, sir,
Okay.
all of them.
Uh, I mean, but I am assuming that you are already aware of all these things,
I'm
blended access, dual
aware
access.
of it, sir. I'm aware, by theory part, I'm aware,
Okay.
but
Okay.
practical wise, I'm not aware.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So what we'll do is we'll create some basic view, just
Hmm.
pull some category and some sales. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is some basic view
Hmm.
by putting one dimension and one measure. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
let us create a nested view. What is nested
Hmm.
view? Category,
Hmm.
subcategory, and sales.
Hmm. Hmm.
This is nested. One
Hmm.
subcategory is in another category, and it is
Hmm.
nested. If you want to
Yes, sir.
create hierarchy,
Hmm.
you can create hierarchy also,
Hi.
and you can apply drill down.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
this is nested view.
Hmm.
Okay,
Oh, okay,
and
sir.
then there is one more thing. Let me copy this. You know, this is copy duplicate sheet.
Hmm.
Okay, and let
Hmm.
us take ship mode and segment.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
this is beyond nested view. This is called small multiples.
Okay. Small
Okay,
multiple.
this is basic view,
Hmm.
this is nested view, and this is small multiples.
Okay, sir.
Small multiple means on rows and columns we have multiple dimensions,
Okay.
both rows and columns. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
clear, right?
So,
Yeah,
clear, sir. One small note, sir.
yeah.
For rows and columns,
Mm-hmm.
in rows and columns, we can only use the dimensions, sir.
Yeah, in
Or we
both rows
can
and
use
columns we
measure.
can use the dimensions.
Okay.
See, this is
Only dimensions we can use.
this is dimensions only, right? Both are dimensions only, right?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Measure you are using
Hmm.
here on the text.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let us let us go back. I mean, these are all the types of grids. This is basic grid, this is nested grid, and this is small multiples grid. Okay. Let
Hmm.
us go to some
Hmm.
basic charts. Okay. What I will do is I will
Hmm.
take order date and sales, and I will
Hmm.
create a chart.
Hmm.
Okay. So this
Okay.
is some basic chart. It has in one axis. This is axis, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this is continuous. Sum of sales is continuous. Okay,
Hmm.
so it creates an
Hmm.
axis,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Okay. Now what I will do is I will take another measure, sum of
Mm.
profit.
Mm.
Okay. Now it
Mm.
has two measures and two different axes.
Mm.
Okay. Let us duplicate
Okay.
this.
Mm.
Now what I will do is I don't want two different axes. I would like to compare sales and profit in same
Mm.
axis.
Mm.
Okay. Now what I
Mm.
will do is I will pull this profit onto
Mm.
sales.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Okay.
there is only one axis and two
Mm.
measures.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is called blended axis.
Blended access. Okay.
Means multiple measures are blended
Mm.
into single axis.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
I will duplicate this once again, and what I will do is, I mean, this way it is a bit hard because the numbers on the sales are in 400,000, 500,000 like that, whereas
Mm.
in the profit it is 60,000, 80,000 like this. So it
Mm.
is a bit hard to compare in this case.
Mm.
Now what I will do
Mm.
is I will choose to put this on the other side.
Mm.
Okay. Now
Okay.
there are two different axes.
Mm.
One is sales and another is profit.
Fixed.
Okay. So
Mm.
what is this called? It is called dual axis
Okay.
because there are two axes.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is individual axis. Each metric has its own axis.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
And this is
Blended access.
blended axis. Both the measures are blended into single axis.
Mm.
Okay. And
Mm.
this is
Dual access.
dual axis
Mm.
because there are two axes for single chart.
Yeah. Single chart.
Okay.
Mm.
And there is an option. See, on this side, it is the interval is 100K for this
Mm.
axis,
Mm.
right? But on the other side, the interval is just 10K,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So it is a bit, it can be a bit confusing sometimes.
Mm.
Okay. So
Okay.
what I will do is I can right click on this and say synchronize axis.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now the interval
Mm.
is same both sides,
Mm. Yes,
but
sir.
it is same as this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is same as blended axis. What is the great
Yes.
advantage of it? In
Mm.
this case, it doesn't have great advantage.
Mm.
Okay, but sometimes maybe we'll use it.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
so that is about individual axis, blended axis, and dual axis.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, cool. So if you want to remove this dual axis, what you can do is,
Mm.
okay,
Mm.
or instead of dragging and dropping it here, you can say dual axis.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So that is about individual axis, blended axis, and dual axis.
Dual axis.
Then we go with combination charts.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So what I will do is I will pull category. This category, yeah, I'll pull
Mm.
category and sales and
Mm.
profit.
Okay.
Or instead of category, I will pull this one itself, order date itself. Okay.
Mm.
Now what I will do is I will pull this and say create dual axis. So here again it is uh, so both are showing. I mean there are two measures and both the measures are represented using line. What I will do is
Mm.
I will make this discrete. Okay, both are represented
Okay.
using line chart.
This.
Okay,
Mm. Mm.
oops. Okay, let me take it back and I will create a dual axis. Okay,
Mm.
now what I will do is I would like to make this discrete first, and then
Mm.
what I will do is I will make this sales, this particular measure, into
Mm.
bars.
Okay.
Okay, so instead of
Okay, sir.
showing both the measures as a lines, what I am showing, one
Mm.
metric I am showing it as bars, another metric I am showing it as
Line.
line.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
so what is the advantage?
We can represent it
Two
clearly.
different I mean
Two
uh,
different pla-
two different charts.
two different sides.
Okay, this is called
Mm.
combination chart.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Mm.
how do you create a combination chart?
Uh, Sir, come again, sir.
How do you create a combination chart?
We can take two uh, I mean, uh, two pills,
Okay.
and we can create we can take one one pill to bars
Mm-hmm.
and another pill to line. So
Okay.
like that, we can make combination charts to differentiate the data.
Yeah. How do you differentiate the pills? See here. Here you have the option. Which one you
Mm.
want to make it graph, and which one you, I mean, which one you want to make it bar, and which one you want to make it line. Here you have the
Mm.
option.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
Clear.
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
So this way, not only bar and line, you can create any combination.
Okay.
Okay, you can, there are various options here, right?
Mm.
Various shapes.
Circles.
Yeah, based on that,
Yes.
we can create any combination. That is the one of the main advantage with Tableau. In terms of the
Mm.
visualization, it gives lot of flexibility.
Mm.
Okay, it is not just these charts. And there
Mm.
are some set of charts here, but it is not
Mm.
only these charts. You can make
Mm.
virtually any chart using these shapes.
Automatic. Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Okay, sir.
it is clear, right?
Clear, sir.
This chart is not available here, right?
No, sir.
Okay,
It's not available.
yeah. So there
Hmm.
is a flexibility to create any kind of chart. You can choose
Hmm.
shapes and you can create based on the arrangement of rows and columns. It gives any
Hmm.
kind of chart.
Sure. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Hmm.
so that is about combination charts, individual axis, blended axis, dual axis, and combination charts.
Combination charts.
Okay, now
Okay, sir.
we'll do practice creating some individual charts like dual axis, blended axis only, but we'll go with some other example, but you have to guide it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now
Hmm.
tell me, I want to create a individual axis with some fields. What are all
Hmm.
the fields you want to take?
Category.
Okay,
Category.
category, there is category, yeah, category,
Discount
discount,
and sales.
sales. Okay,
Hmm.
fine.
And we can take bar chart
Okay,
and and it's
and
and and we can. Sir, I'm guiding correct only, no, sir.
yeah, yeah, you can try whatever you want. It is correct or not, we'll figure out on the way.
Okay.
Now, okay, can we make it blended axis?
Yes, sir.
So, which one you want me to pull to other one?
We line chart.
No, this one itself. You cannot get line for this. Of course, you can get it. You can change it here, but this is the better way
Hmm.
for category.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now I want to make it
Uh,
blended axis. Which pill you want me to pull onto the other?
uh, discount, sir.
Discount to sales.
Sales.
Okay. So you
Hmm.
pull discount to sales, and discount is hardly visible.
Hmm.
See,
Hardly visible.
see what is the? It is in thousands, 400,000. It is in hundreds.
Hundreds.
So it will not be
Yes, sir.
visible by blended axis. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case,
Okay.
which axis you have to choose?
Hmm. Sales access, sir.
No. If I pull this into blended axis, it is not visible, right? Because
Yes, sir.
the range is different for each metric.
Each metric. Yes, sir.
So in this case, what you want to do? Let us try dual axis.
Okay.
Okay. So what happened
Hmm.
if I choose dual axis?
It's showing the both.
Yeah. So sales is orange, discount is green. You can change the metrics into bars.
That's,
Okay,
hmm. Hmm.
fine. One is the other one sales discount. I will
Okay.
choose it into like this.
Line.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there is no limit to it. Maybe which way it looks good, we need to
Hmm.
decide based on the scenario. But virtually it allows anything to any other,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So like
So
this,
one more doubt.
yeah.
When we pull the discount to sales,
Mhm.
why it is not showing, sir?
Because it is because of the values. If let me pull it again.
Hmm.
Where is the other one? See, if you notice this, there is some small line here,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it is there,
Okay.
but it will not be visible because
Hmm.
it is very small.
Okay. The discount value is very small.
Yeah, the discount value is very small.
Okay.
Discount is generally 10%, 20% like that, right?
Yes, sir.
But whereas sales will be
I
in
got.
thousands,
Hmm.
so
Yes,
it is hardly visible.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it now, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, cool. So basically, discount is not aggregatable. You cannot sum it up.
Hmm. Okay.
What does it make sense? Let me show the data.
Okay.
See, discount is like this 0.45, 0.20, like this.
Hmm. Hmm.
What is zero point 0.4 plus 0.20? Is it 0.65? Not
Hmm.
right. Here in this case,
Hmm. Hmm.
if you buy both the products together, do you get 0.65, means 65% discount?
Yes, sir.
Really? See, there
Sir,
is
actually,
there
I'm
is
with.
a sale going on in Amazon, okay,
Hmm.
and you
Okay.
purchased a book,
Hmm.
okay, that
Hmm.
book has some 20% discount,
Hmm.
okay, and there is another some doll you that has some 30% discount,
Hmm.
okay. If you buy both of them, do you get 50% discount?
Hmm. No, sir.
No, right? You will get
No.
individually 20% on the book and 30% on the doll. That is not
Yes.
50% together.
Hmm. No.
So you cannot sum discounts.
Hmm.
Okay? Is it clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Let us go through another example. Yeah,
Okay.
guide me.
Same category, sir. I mean,
Okay.
you can take order date.
Order
You
date.
can go with
Okay.
order date.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Sales and quantity.
Quantity,
Sorry, sir. Not quantity, sir. Sales and profit.
sales, and profit. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to make it?
Make it into a line chart,
Line chart.
and I want to make it into dual chart. I mean, I want to
Okay.
show it into dual.
Dual.
Right click,
Okay. Dual X.
right click, and dual.
Okay. This is what I did. What else you want to do? Hmm? So,
Sir, I can take
yeah.
quantity also, sir.
Okay. Quantity also. Okay.
And sir, in dual axis, we can put one more axis, sir.
No. Dual means only two,
Oh,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So only two axes you can have.
Hmm.
But what you can do is you can
Hmm.
pull this. and drop it on the profit, and you can make this blended axis and this is dual axis.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Mm.
so now this axis is representing profit as well as quantity,
Quantity. Mm.
whereas this axis is representing sales. Okay, so like this you can
Mm.
experiment a lot, I mean, which makes sense. That
Mm.
scenario will tell you. Okay, but that tool
Okay.
capabilities you can explore irrespective of whether it makes sense or not. Okay, so that you will understand the capabilities of the tool, that
Hello,
is important. Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Hello, hello, hello.
Sir. Right now, right now it's audible, sir.
Okay, cool. So that's how you can explore the tool.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
but maybe the whether it makes sense or not, you have to analyze. But still, to explore the tool, it will not stop you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So from today onwards, I want you to do practice. Practice
Yes.
is important. If you just listen to the
Yes.
class, it will not
Mm.
help you.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm practicing actually.
Okay, good, good. That is good. Okay.
Mm.
Any questions?
Mm. No, sir.
No? Is it clear?
But only the columns and rows I'm confusing, sir.
Okay, what is the confusion?
Like it's like when I heard like for the first time,
Hmm.
they told that it's like some of the things we have to keep in the columns and some of the things we need to keep in the rows. No, sir.
Yes, yes.
Uh, that's what is confusing.
Uh, there is nothing confusing. You can swap however you want. You can try. You can explore. Okay. So,
Okay.
I mean, that's what I am
Mm.
telling you. Whether it makes sense or not, it depends upon the business scenario.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Irrespective of that, see, it is now I made rows, I mean, order date into rows and this one into columns.
Okay.
Okay. Still, it allows. Tableau allows.
Mm.
Okay. Whether it makes sense or
Mm.
not, we need to think of based on the business scenario. That's it. But
Okay.
Tableau point of view, there are no rules that you have to keep only these things into rows and there are these are you have to keep only these things into columns. Okay,
Okay.
if that is the case, they would have not allowed this,
Mm.
right? They
Mm.
can show an
Yes, sir.
error simply that you cannot keep order date into rows.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, but to give a presentation to a business client, it may not be good.
Mm.
Okay, that part
Mm.
you have to deal with based on the scenario, based on the business need.
Mm.
Okay,
And to make it presentable so
yes, you
that
have to make it
other
presentable.
officers
Yep,
can understand easily by looking at the chart.
exactly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but I
Mm.
would recommend to do it, I mean, play with it however you want, irrespective of the
Mm.
meaning. Okay, that's how you will get new ideas.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Mm.
fine. So
Mm.
that's it from